Vroom vroom vroom. Hello car fans and welcome to James Rosal's toy car review. As you see, I have few delivery of my logs and some videos to deliver to all my subscribers of my car fans. And so I'm the Man Truck Logs Transporter right here, and always watch my channel James Rosal's toy car review, and I'm really hurry to deliver. Bye bye. Guys, so I've got the long Tomica again, and this one is new. It's number 139, the Isuzu Giga cattle transporter. And so we will unbox this first, since it's a cattle transporter. I don't know what's this of them, but let us find out what's inside and unbox and review. But not that review, just as described first. Almost so excited. Sorry being so excited. There, I'll remove. Okay, so now open it, and here it is. Some animals and a vehicle, and let's remove them first. Just wait for a moment. Okay, remove some animals. Okay, almost. Come on, why the plastic? Okay, let's just put it there first. Okay, so if it takes so long, because it's a bit hard to remove all of them. So we have here the cattle transporter. See, let's review the truck first. So this one is the latest since September was released, and it's a cattle, and you can also remove. Maybe I see right here in a box. It is removable. Because it's Japanese, I don't understand in Japanese. And it's removable, and maybe it could turn there, and you can stack the animals something. Let's see the animals. Know what's this animals was this, but it's white. It's a bit blur. I just zoom in. It looks like difference. Looks like a bowl. This one's a bowl, and this one, I think this one, don't know what's this animal. Strange. I think this one is maybe a female bull, or maybe not. Maybe, I don't think so. Wait. Yeah, and there's a squish to the milk to put milk. I think this one is, and this one, I think this one doesn't looks like a cow, but I think it's a female bull. Yeah, I think it's a female bull. That's all. And this one, I think this one is just a bull, female bull. This one, I think this one is a carabao. Oh, wait, yeah, it looks like a bull for me, but not that bull. Maybe I think this one is a goat. Yeah, it's a goat. And so let's go back for taking so long to decide which. And maybe I don't think this one is removable. Yeah, I don't think so. Maybe it removes. See this? It has screw. You can put the animals inside. Meh. Sorry for being weird sound. Ow, I think this one's removed. I'll just stop the video. So I'm back, so I finally removed it. This was just hard. I was taking so long time to remove, but now Let's put inside the animals, see if it can fit all. Oops. Okay. And some patterns. And let's see if all can fit here. Oops, and last, there. Now the animals are ready here. And now let's close. Perfect. As you see, all can fit inside. And I make the pattern so it make better, much better. And look at the back. Looks like a container truck, but container truck doors at the back, but it's actually like that. But on it's just a hole that widens a hole so they have more air to breathe them and oxygen. And so there are no Isuzu logo on the front. What? No logo. Nah, never mind. The important is it's nice. And so, and finally, and oh no, what finally? Oh, nothing's finally. And finally, yeah, I'm wrong only. And this one is just a new Isuzu Giga. And see here, the before number of this one is number 128. It was made by 139. That's strange. So anyways, there's a roof, but it is made of something like that, not a metal. And let's just remove it. Sorry, maybe I popped it. There. And now let animal be free. And let's see the inside. It's just plain. It's just made of metal inside. And you see everything's beautiful, and it's gonna see at the back, and it's big and it's long and it's metal, all metal, and it's really nice. And that's all for my describing in video. Next video, I'm gonna review for this video. This one is called review for this one, not 139 Isuzu Giga cattle transporter. And I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next video for the review of this one. See you later, car fans, and see you bye at the moment, and stay tuned for the review of this one. Bye! Guys, I'm back in the video, and now let's review for this one. So, for this review, this one is big. Excuse me. This one is nice, and this is my another favorite of the long Tomica of this one. And you can also remove there. You can put them out, whatever you want. Sorry. I think I'm like killing cows. Sorry about that. And so this one is just only like that, and look, it's just not made of the real life. In real life, this one's just made of something like plastic or rubber, made by rubber. Maybe you put it up there so not be fell down, and when you close it, you can see it's just plain. And look, the metal ramp, and the doors where it should be protected from falling. And at the back, at the right, it's just only like this. And there's no Isuzu logo. It's supposed to be have, so they'll know if it is Mitsubishi or something. But this one is Isuzu Giga. Maybe you guys won't know this. I mean, you will not recognize this brand, this name of the truck. And so I'm gonna show you this. I mean this same alike of this one from the number 128. I'm just so since they're both Isuzu Giga, let's start the difference between this. So the grill is red and this one is normal. It's silver. There's siren but doesn't have that. And let's see on the right. Oops. Sorry, it's just a bit narrow to see. Sorry, I'm taking too lazy to have the camera. Too lazy. And so, look at the back. It's just the same as this. It's 2018. This one is just normal base. And look at the front. It has taillights and this one is all metal in the front. It's all red. This one is all red. Really all red. And see, it's just where you put the hot mist blower here. And maybe the registration of the fire truck seems like that. The registration of that. And so, the difference, sorry, camera's too zoomy. It has roof and this one has few roofs, only this side on the right part, and this one has hole. Let's check at the left first before at the back. Oops, I always bumped it. Okay, I'm just gonna make it perfect. And look at this. I mean, look at this. How many times? Okay, never mind. So, the left, and it's the same as at the right, but there's a glass. Maybe they'll know how you pedal so fast, you gas, you press, or brake, you're braking too hard. So that's why they have like that. And at the back, the opening of this one is just like this. This one is just and look at this. This one is also metal, but I didn't see the real one. But this one is real, but this just a design of this. And this one's plastic, and this one's just made from plastic, but they pretend it's a metal or something. Then I always what's that? I always mind the error part. Nah, never mind. Let's go back. And when you close it, this one's much easier to close. And there's some metal at the back, but when you do that, oops. I'll just see when you do like this. Sorry, my light is almost running out. And you see, sorry, it's a bit blur. And you see, it's not even really metal or something. Look at the rear one. It's the same, and that one is the same. This one has them, and this one has only 2 rectangles, but the rear doesn't have. And so, I mean, sorry, I always forgot what I said. And there's a sticker at the front, has logo, but this one doesn't have. So anyways, before I end this video, okay, I'm almost gonna end this video. So, but again, which one is your favorite, this or this? Okay, almost. Oh, thanks for watching at James Rosal's Toy Car Review. Thanks for watching at James Rosal's Toy Car Review, and thank you for watching at my videos that I have delivered to all of you. And don't forget to like us and subscribe our videos. See you later, car fans. See you at the next video. Boom.